In this lesson, we are going to be going through the users and hashtags tool inside of Jarvee. So this is a really simple tool to use. I'm going to show you the best way to use it, or what you could actually be using it for to sort of save some time on your end. But essentially it's just a search feature for suggested users and suggested hashtags that you can use either on your posts, or you can use users in the follow tab, etc. So what we can do is come into our suggested users, and let's just say, we're already using Gary V as a source in our followers. So, I'll just jump into my follow sources. Let's just say we already have Gary V in here. It's working well, and we say, okay, we've got a good follow back ratio happening with him. We've come into our results, we've clicked on a view follow back ratio. We can see Gary V's at maybe like a 1.6789, whatever it is. And we say, cool, let's find other people like him. We come into our user and hashtags, we type in his name, we click search suggested users, and it's going to give us a ton of accounts. While some of these may be like meh, some of them may also be good, and it's just a way of getting a ton of accounts which you can test really quickly. So what we're going to do is, you can obviously export all these, bring them into like a Google Sheets or Excel if you want to just like have them in a list, or alternatively, because all you really need is just their username, is we can click copy all. So we'll just click it, nothing happens, but just give it a little click a few times just to make sure. Come into your follow, come into follow sources, and what we'll do is just paste them in. As you can see, we have a huge list of stuff here, and I'm just going to add account followers. So we're going to go through all these, and you can see it's adding it in, lots and lots of different things. So you can see how all of a sudden it's going to be really easy and really quick for you to start finding different sources. And if we remember, we are going to be removing poor quality sources, so there is no harm in testing these. While you may have some days of like meh results, let's just say we know The Rock is just really not going to work out well, we're like, it's just way far from. You can always come in here and just delete them straight away, but use your own sort of intuition on this, and make sure to paste them in down here as well. So we just do the same, we'll add them all in. We also want to make sure that some of the accounts are not private. So if you see a yes in private at any point, make sure to just delete it out of there, because otherwise it's not going to bring back any results anyway, because it's a private account. Yeah, so that's how you can use the users, and it basically works the same for hashtags. We'll just clear all to get rid of it. Let's say we like the hashtag surfing. We can click search related hashtags. We can also follow the hashtags, but we'll search related hashtags. And then it's going to give us different ones. We have surf, surfer, surf life, surf photography, surf art, shore break, surf beach. And of course we can copy them all. I'm not going to open up like a notepad, but you can see that we do have a list of these. So in like, let's say you're targeting posts by a hashtag, you can come in here, paste them in, and then you have all your hashtags. Really simple, right guys? A really cool tool. Just going to help you sort of, instead of going on Instagram, doing the search yourself, which I still like to recommend, because then at least you are going on there, seeing the type of images or the type of users that you're sort of getting results from, what content they upload, the people commenting on it, all that good stuff I talk about in, actually finding target accounts on Instagram in the module above. But yeah, use this one, really helpful. Hopefully you've opened up your eyes and said, hey, I'm going to start using this as well. So I will see you in the next lesson. Hope you enjoyed this one.